guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Jamie with Not Too Shabby. We have a brand new collection from Doodlebug. It's called Hippity Hoppity and it's super cute. Easter is on its way, and with a $25 purchase of Doodlebug products, you'll get the Doodlebug 3D sticker for free. So this will pop into your cart once your order qualifies. He is super cute and he is all three-dimensional. He is called Hippity Hoppity. And the Doodle Pops, this collection, are just adorable. You guys, look at this one. Is that not the cutest thing ever? Look how cute and little those two little bunnies are in that hot air balloon. I mean, that is just so stinking cute. And then this Easter basket. So we've got some enamel eggs in there. Really pretty. That little bow detail there is shiny. These little chicks, how cute are they? And then, oh my goodness, look at this one. It's called Hop On. The little baby bunny hopped on, getting a ride on the little Vespa. There's a little Easter egg in the basket. Just adorable. And then this cute guy is riding a carrot. So stinking cute. So we've got the paper pad. So I love the spring colors. They just make me happy. I love spring colors. So they're double-sided, really cute size. Just love it. So we've got Chit Chat and odds and ends to match the paper. So you can create some quick cards with these, some nice big ephemera pieces in here. And then we've got your sentiments. So let's take a look. You get all these sentiments. You get banners, speech bubbles, larger sentiments. So you get 89 pieces in there. And then this one you get 127 die cut pieces. Look at that cute little van again. So cute. Little family driving in the car. There's that cute hot air balloon. So very cute images. There's stickers that match, so you get two different sides, or two different sheets in here. Oh my gosh, that is adorable. And so you get two different sheets. Just cute. Oh gosh, look at that one. The little bunny upside down in the can, or in the bucket. Oh, look at that one, holding the little chicks. There's one on his head. Just so cute. There is a stamp. So this one is called Hippity Hoppity. So you get a little fence. You get the bunny in the carrot. Oh, you get the family in the car. Love that image. Easter's on its way, and Happy Easter and hello are your sentiments. There are shape sprinkles. So we've got 4 different ones. You get the Easter eggs. Cute little bunny faces, the spring assortment dots. Love those, they look like candy. And then sweet tweets, so cute little chicks. And then 2 washi tapes. We've got one that says Happy Easter, and then this really pretty plaid. So that one's called Easter Basket. Just a really cute collection. So you can use my coupon code Jamie for 10% off. And US orders over $60 ship for free, and also you get a free gift with a $60 purchase. You'll see that pop into your cart. So thank you guys for shopping, and hopefully spring is on its way. I'll talk to you in the next video. Bye guys!